babies. Good morning, everybody. Today has been I'll come over here by the light. Today has been a very productive day. I got some laundry done. I'm all ready for the day. Oakley had a nap. Oh, I got some editing done. Yeah, it feels like it's been a lot more productive than it sounds, but so we are, it's 12:10. Oakley is having some sweet potatoes. I've been trying to nurse him, but during the day, he is just way too busy and way too distracted to nurse. We're trying, but he loves his solids. So right now he's eating some sweet potatoes. Andrew's feeding him. I'm gonna make myself a bowl of watermelon really quick, and then we're gonna get in the car and do something really exciting. We are playing with the idea of getting a new car. So we're gonna go and test drive a car to see if I like it. It's a lot bigger than what we're used to, or than what I'm used to. So we're gonna go test it today and see if it's gonna be a good fit for our family. Good morning, handsome guy. Get that finger out of your mouth. It's been sucking on that finger. Are you having sweet potatoes? Oh, is that good? You love it, huh? Do you love it? You're so handsome. You hurry up and eat cakes. We gotta go. Gotta get in the car. We're running late, but Oakley just going to town eating his baby food. He ate the rest of a pouch of sweet potatoes, and now he's eating broccoli and apples. Is there anything cuter? Hurry up, dude. Hey, hurry up. Does anybody else put salt on their watermelon? I grew up doing this because my mom did it. It's my favorite way to eat watermelon because watermelon's so sweet, and then with a little salty kick. Does anybody else do this? If you don't do it, you should try it because it is really good. So Andrew is inside the car place, and we've been, oh, why can't I talk? Oakley, oops. Oakley. You guys, I am a good mom. There you go. Oakley and I have been sitting in the car just waiting. Andrew came out a few minutes ago, and we had a little chat. We originally came here to just test drive the car, see it in person, see the inside of the car. We took it for a test drive. I was too chicken to drive it. If it had just been me and Andrew, I would have driven it no problem. But there was like another person in the car, and I don't know, I felt too much pressure. I think we're getting the car, which makes me so nervous, because this is like our first big purchase. We have been renting a house just because it's just where we're at in life, but we need a car. We need an upgrade from this one. I've had this one since I think since college. Are you okay? So, and it's just too small for our family. Andrew's knees hit the dash when he's driving with the 2 car seats in the back, so we need a new car. But it still makes me really nervous because it's a big giant purchase. But I think we're doing it. I think we're getting a car. It's exciting. And I love it, and it's really cute. I can see myself driving it. So, get up, Bubba. Here's Oakley Man. He just had one of these little happy baby teethers. He wants another one. And he makes a huge mess when he eats them. Huh, but you love them. Want to show him how good you eat it? Show him how good you eat it. Oh. You're so cute. But he makes the biggest mess. So yeah, we are just sitting in the car here waiting for Andrew to wrap up, and then we're gonna go home. Maybe I'll show you the car in this vlog, or maybe I'll just do a whole separate video on it. I'll have to decide that. That was a huge mistake letting him have this, because he is a mess right now. He's so sticky. He's grabbing everything. That was a mom fail. I thought I was being a cool mom, and yet I just made a huge mess for myself. I forgot to tell you guys that Emerson spent the night at my mom's house last night. She, I hope you guys can hear me over the car. Emerson spends the night at my mom's house on Wednesday night so that Andrew and I can spend Wednesday filming and editing and getting like work done. So she stays there all day Wednesday, then spends the night, and then we pick her up Thursday afternoon. So that's where she is today. So after we finish up here, we're probably gonna go home for a little bit, and then we'll go pick her up at my parents' house, or from my parents' house. And then I want to show you guys the garden. It's all planted and it's growing really well. So I need to water it tonight, but when I get there, I'll show you guys how the garden's doing. It's looking really, really good.
I think it's... See.
Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Hey, don't ruin the first ride, bud.
Let's go. Where's the... How do you see when it's in... Oh, there we go. Yeah. What the heck?
We'll have to work on things.
3 cars coming.
Some entertainment right here.
The steering wheel's really like smooth.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is not bad at all.
No.
I feel a lot higher up, but not like, it's not that different. I think the thing I'm gonna have to get used to the most is the length of it.
Yeah.
And the front of it. Like I don't know how to judge it quite yet. But it feels really good. I feel like really safe, and I feel like I could just like mow something over.
And if someone hits you, they're gonna pay for it. So.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hi, Emmy Grace.
Hey, show me what you got. A lawnmower? Oh, that is cool.
Big, huh?
You like it?
Are you cutting grass?
Hey, Emmy. Emmy Grace. Did you have a fun time at Mimi's? What'd you do? You played and played. Ooh. It looks like it's snowing right now because the flowers are falling off the trees. But it's about to rain, like looks like it's about to dump rain. So I'm going down to the garden really quick just to check on my plants. I was gonna water, but since it looks like it's gonna rain, I might not water. But I wanna show you guys what it looks like. Things are growing, so. I don't come here every day because I don't need to water every day. So every time I come here, I'm a little worried that I'm gonna come back to dead plants, but let's see how they're doing. So first things first, gotta turn off the electric fence. And Andrew built this little gate. Look how cute it is. He did such a good job. Uh-oh. Okay, well, I don't know who was in here, but something crawled through the electric fence and ate kale there, and there, and there, and there. So that stinks. Looks like maybe some of the pepper plant got eaten. And then these are green beans, which are looking good still. That's a good thing. These are tomatoes, and the tomatoes are looking really good. Everything looks like it needs to be watered though, because it was really hot today. So I'll water for sure. These are cucumbers over here, cilantro's right there, but I'm serious, I think things are getting eaten. Dang it. And then these are zucchini. These 3 are zucchini, and then this is squash, yellow squash. And it definitely needs to be watered. Bummed about the plants getting eaten because we have this electric fence to keep the things out, but it's not working, so we're gonna have to figure something out. I guess little animals can crawl underneath it, but dang, that stinks. Well, that stinks that some things are getting eaten by animals, I guess. We have this electric fence. I mean, we don't know what we're doing here, but we were told by some of our friends who have done this that the electric fence is supposed to keep animals out, especially if it's low enough to the ground, but apparently it didn't keep anything out because our kale is definitely, I mean, it's still there, so it can still grow back, but that stinks. Also, I think I'm gonna have to start coming out and watering every day. It's been really hot. It's been like in the high 80s and low 90s, and everything's looking a little bit droopy. So I'm gonna water tonight, even though it's supposed to rain. I'm still gonna like give everything a good deep water and hopefully keep things flowing. It is definitely a learning process. Every time I come out here and do something, I'm learning. So it's still really fun, but we need this to survive and thrive and make it because we put a little bit of money into this, which is just not our jam typically, because we're just really careful with our money. So I need to make this work. Also, I always check myself for ticks right before I leave because I have been bitten twice now. Oh, there's thunder. I've been bitten twice now, like found ticks on me. One on my shoulder and then one on my like calf. And I'm really afraid of Lyme disease. So I'm always really careful to check everything before I leave. So now I gotta go break the news to Andrew that something's been eating our garden. He's gonna die.
To dinner with Nate and Vic and John.
Oh, give him love. Oh, did he get you?
He kind of wild.
Wow.
I think he missed you. I just watered, but I came down here to show Andrew the plants that had gotten eaten. Guys, I just showed you this. And in the matter of me showing you, going up to the house and bringing Andrew back, I came back and all of the kale has been eaten because I left the electric fence off. In a matter of minutes, the kale is all gone. That's like $28 worth of kale that just got fed to whatever is eating our plants. How sad. Little stinker. What you doing, bud?
This ground cover.
Alright guys, so it is the next day and I am ending the vlog. I actually just finished filming something here in the basement that you guys don't know about yet. Or do you? Nope, you do not know about it yet. It is gonna be on Friday's video. Super exciting. But anyways, I'm wrapping that up right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you all, as always, for following our family. Today we got a new car. That was awesome. That was exciting. I'm excited for our family. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks for following our family. We love you guys to pieces. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the other videos that we have coming up. Follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.